Guangzhou City Youye Electronics Company Limited is located in Guangzhou City, an economically prosperous city of China. It is a manufacturer of wire harness, connectors, and electronic components with product development, design, production, sales, and service. The products are widely used in automotive, home appliance, medical facilities, public transportation industry. Youye Electronics was founded in 1995 with CHCWLD Company own brand logo. Employees have 100 people, including 10 years experienced engineer and technical staff. The company is able to provide molding developing service of connectors and related components according to the request of clients. On 26 September 2011, it gains the ISO TS16949 International Automotive Quality System certification. After 2 decades of the company operation, exploring and on the basis of pragmatic, honest, and mutually beneficial principle, we have established firm market and solid, close, and long-term partnerships with 20 countries and regions around the world, especially South America, North America, and Middle East. Warmly welcome to visit Guangzhou City, Youye Electronics Company Limited. We firmly believe that advanced design and development concepts, comprehensive device configuration, impeccable enterprise management system to ensure that the use of products' reliability and security, quality and thoughtful service will bring us win-win relationship and better future.